In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload product feed to Google from Shopify. Let's get right into it. In your Shopify admin, open Sales Channels and select Google. This is the built-in integration that connects your store's catalog to Google Merchant Center, so you can surface your products on Google surfaces and, if you choose later, run shopping campaigns without managing separate spreadsheets. Click Start Setup and connect your Google account. You'll be prompted to authorize access so Shopify can send product data securely to Google. It's best to connect the Google account that owns or will own your Merchant Center so everything stays organized under one login. Next, choose your Google Merchant Center account. If you already have one, select it from the list. If you don't, you can create one right within this flow. Merchant Center is where Google stores and reviews your product data, so make sure the business information you provide during creation matches your store details. Shopify streamlines this part, so just follow the prompts on screen. Now decide which products or collections you want to sync. You can send your entire catalog or start with a few collections. Starting small can help you spot issues early and keep your feed clean. Only products that are active, available on your online store sales channel, and have complete details will sync. Variants will be included, so double-check options like size and color for accuracy. Before you finish, take a moment to review your product details against Google's requirements. Clear, keyword-relevant titles and honest descriptions work best. Use high-quality images on a plain background without watermarks or text overlays. Ensure prices and availability match what's on your storefront. Include brand, condition, and the proper product category where applicable. If your products have global trade item numbers, add those identifiers. If not, make sure brand and manufacturer part numbers are accurate. These details reduce disapprovals and help Google understand exactly what you're selling. When everything looks good, click Finish Setup to automatically upload your product feed. Shopify will start sending your items to Google, and processing can take some time. Products typically appear as pending, then approved or disapproved with reason codes. You can monitor status inside the Google Sales Channel in Shopify or directly in Merchant Center. If something is flagged, edit the product details in Shopify, save, and the changes will sync over automatically. Keep your inventory and pricing up to date, and avoid placeholder text or promotional language in titles. That's it. With your feed live, your products are now positioned to appear across Google once they're approved.